Yes, I'm shooting this in vertical video on purpose. This is a 2009 Hyundai Sonata, and that's the steering linkage shaft. Comes from the firewall down to the steering rack, and the boot was all shredded and unusable. For some reason, Hyundai does not sell a replacement boot unless you buy the whole shaft. Very expensive. So I went ahead and I got a simple rack and pinion boot, just like that, from the parts store for about 15 bucks. I undid the pinch bolt, took it off, cleaned it up. It was pretty rusty. And I slid this bellows over it. And then just RTV'd the bellows to the bottom. I was going to zip tie it there, but it wouldn't. There's some angles there that keep the zip tie from working well. So it's got a big, huge glob of RTV holding it against the this housing here. And as that dries, and then this turns easy up here. It's tight, but it's not insane. And it's good. So when you turn the steering wheel, the shaft will turn. The bellows might move a little bit, but this will keep it from rotating around and riding up over time. And I have no idea how it'll last, but it's a good enough try for now for 15 bucks. And it was easy to do since I'm literally standing in the engine bay because there's no engine in this car. Anyway, cheap man solution to an expensive problem. May last a couple years, be good enough. If you think this is binding too tight on yours, you could slice that with a knife, just a tiny bit right there, and give it a little bit, or just, physically stretch it with your fingers, and use a heat gun and stretch it a tiny bit. Mine's good. It's good. It will rotate. It rotates just fine, but I don't want to disturb this. So behind there's just tons of RTV. It's all gushed right up against that housing right there. So that'll be sufficient. Easy solution. Yay.